Talesong 19. The Betrothed. I plan to wed, but fate won't agree. Rivals, laws, and danger chase me. Rivers flood, bandits prowl, towns burn, everyday teachers. I twist and turn. Love is strong, yet trials test our vow. Faith and courage guide me somehow. Friendships help, enemies scheme. Life is harder than it might seem. We travel through hardship, yet cling tight. Dreams of home keep us in sight. Justice waits, though slow and grim. We hold on, though chances seem slim. Finally together, after storms we face, love triumphs. Life finds its place. Through trials, battles, the world and men, we reach our goal, hearts free again. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.